Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Cash App by tapping the icon to access the main dashboard. On the home screen, tap the Activity tab, represented by a small clock icon in the bottom right corner. Inside the Activity section, locate the Declined transaction. These are usually labeled declined or not confirmed, so they're easy to spot. Tap on the transaction to view more details. Next, look for the Review button. Tap it to move forward. Cash App may ask you to confirm if you were the one who initiated the transaction. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. This step is essential to confirm that the transaction was authorized by you. Once confirmed, you'll see a green button that says something like "Looks good" or "Confirm transaction." Tap it to finalize the review and verification process. By completing this, you're telling Cash App that the transaction is secure and should no longer be flagged. The app will then update its records, and your Bitcoin withdrawal should go through without further issues. So that's basically how you can fix the error Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.